Hi, my name's Connor Toner, and my dad Derek works for Downer, and I wanted to show you some of the things that he does since he started working at home. He spends a lot of time deciding what he wants to wear. He spends a lot of time Skyping people.
Look, sorry, Kate. Can you mute? Can you mute your micro? Can you mute your microphone? Kate, can you mute your? There's somebody in the background. Can you mute? Can you mute your microphone, please?
He likes to break up the day by playing some piano. Ted! He likes to practice his basketball skills. He likes to make a lot of tea. He does a lot of typing. He likes to work out to keep fit.
4, 5, 6, 701, 702, 703, 704.
It's great to have my dad home.
Thank you, Connor, and thank you for helping out with the camera work. And now, Ciara Finn, who's doing the cameraman for us.
Hello.
So we just wanted to say hi, everybody, and we wanted to check in with you all and hope you're staying safe and well. And we're very much looking forward when lockdown is over to seeing you all again. So until then, stay safe.